Hey there everybody, this is Blades and More, and this is a review of a Maxace Aiorosu Zong folding pocket knife. This knife has some high-end features in that it has a full blue colored titanium handle and 14C28N blade material. It's a mid-size knife in that it's 7.375 inches when it's opened, with a 3.125 inch blade. Thumb stud opening, right hand only, with a liner lock, ceramic bearings, it's a Chinese-made knife. The blade thickness is 0.13 inches. It's a drop point blade design with a flat grind, stonewash blade finish, plain edge. The handle length is 4.25 inches. The handle thickness is 0.48 inches, so it's fairly thin. It only weighs 3.76 ounces. It's nice and light for its size. And it is very sharp. There was one deal breaker flaw in this knife though that would have me advise you not to purchase it, and that is, like some other knives I get, the thumb stud and the cutout for the thumb stud. I just couldn't get the darn thing open, and the detent on it had a strong detent. From a 0 to 10, I probably would say a 6, maybe even a 6.5. It was just, and the thumb stud is too short, and the thumb stud cutaway was not deep enough, so you just couldn't get the thing open. It killed my thumb. So I thought about selling it, moving it on, but I kind of hate to move on knives that I'm not satisfied with, even though someone else might be. But so instead of doing that, I thought about a few ways to customize it. And I hated to do it, but I took a sanding wheel on a Dremel, and I dremeled out the titanium handle with a deeper cutout way there, so I could get to the thumb stud. Now I can open it every time with not a big problem. However, it was about a $65 to $70 knife, which probably decreased the value substantially. And I knew that I would be doing that when I started sanding away at that titanium handle. However, now it's going to work for me. So it's got a nice handle material and blade material, so I'm just going to use it as a beater and around the house, and I'm not, going to fear wrecking up a $70 knife because I already did. So this knife has a tip up carrying position with a titanium clip on it. Well, it's a decent knife if you want to rack it up by sanding away at the titanium handle to give it a bigger depression for the thumb stud. But I would have to advise you not to purchase this knife. So there we go, everybody. It is the Maxace Aiorosu Zong pocket folding knife. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye now.